Hey y'all, it's Joanna, and I love to DIY on a budget and make beautiful home decor. And if you like to sew, then catch me on Saturdays. Now, let's get crafty. Y'all know what time it is. It's Christmas time. Well, for all us DIYers it is. And I wanted to give you an update on my channel, okay? Because my schedule is so out of whack along with my life. I got an out of whack life. But just to let you know, okay? I know my Sew It Saturdays have been slacking and I am so sorry. I have had so much going on with family and life and grandkids, and my editing software has went downhill, and I don't know, what's wrong with that. That's just money down the drain. But I'm trying to find something now that I edit with that I actually like, because once you get used to something, if you've never done a video and you get used to an editing software and then you switch to another one, it's like starting all over, okay? So that's just, it's hard, it's rough. So I'm trying to get used to new software and trying to figure out which ones I want, and it's so frustrating to say the least. But I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. So I had to print this out, okay? Because I ain't going to remember none of this, all right? So we have, I've been in these collaborations lately, and I love them. They're so much fun. So we have a, starting November 1st, 12 Days of Christmas playlist. And it's hosted by Brenda at Rustic and Lace DIY. I knew that, but I had to look at the paper. And Krista at Krista's Crafty Life. Y'all, I thank God for these ladies and these playlists. It's fun. It keeps me on track. It helps me push more content out. I love it. Helps me get subscribers. I'm sharing the playlist. It helps them. It helps me. We're just helping each other. One big happy helping each other family. But anyway, so I'm going to do a rundown. Now, I may not do all these. We don't have to do all of them. And I have like Just Our Imagination challenge coming up in the middle of these. So I don't know, but to keep it where I'm not bombarding you per se, I know you don't want to see my face every day. So I'm going to try to do like a one and done. I did those in the past when I got busy with stuff, just a one and done, just a one DIY. I like 30-minute or more content. That's just, once I get started, I don't want to stop. But, I'll try to do just a one and done, and, for these 12 days. So let me tell you what they are. Day 1 is ornaments. Yeah, again, and that will kick off the first of the month challenge and the 12 days of Christmas challenge. So the second is garlands or mantle decor. The third is rustic and woodland DIYs. The fifth is Christmas signs. 6, snowmen. 7, gingerbreads. Those are right up my alley. The 9th is thrifted, and I may have to go shopping for that. I'm not sure. Unless I can thrift my own junk. That would be a good start. The 10th is tiered tray decor. The 11th is Christmas trees, but also the 11th is Just Our Imagination. So I don't know if I'm going to do both or just do one or the other. I'm not sure yet, so I'll try. I'll try to let you know. And I'm also going to put these up in my community tab. So all you have to do is go to my page, go to my community tab, and this should be in there, as well. And so we have the Christmas trees, and then the last one is the bells. So also on November 16th, I am in the Snowman Showdown with my friend Robin from Crafts Unleashed by Robin. And just because she knows I love snowmen, she loves snowmen. So she got some crafters that really love snowmen. And we're going to have a Snowman Showdown. So that's going to be so fun. I'm so excited. But anyways, then let me just tell you, the Just Our Imagination challenges that I love so much. That's so quirky. They pick people, and whatever they challenge items are, we have to craft with them. It's stressfully fun, to say the least. Yeah, it's fun. It's stressfully fun. And that's every second Monday. Okay, that'll be every second Monday. And then What Would You Make is every fourth Sunday. And that's when you make stuff with wood. And I love working with wood, so I'm always in that playlist, or try to be unless life happens. But anyway, so that's what's coming up. And I also want to tell you, I appreciate you so much. You are the most wonderful subscribers. I'm not even kidding. I'm overwhelmed by you. Your niceness, your giving, your caring, your loving, and I love it. I'm here because of you. First and foremost, because of the good Lord above. But if it wasn't for you watching, I couldn't have a channel. So I am so thankful for you. I really am. You guys know that you are my blessings, okay? You are. You really are. And I love each and every one of you. I appreciate you so much for being in my Crazy Craft Life family. One of you subscribers even asked, could I just put Crazy Crafting or Crafts and Laughs or something like that and change my channel name? I don't know. I changed it once. I don't know if I want to do it again, but it's a thought. So, but anyway, I'm done gabbing. I gotta get busy. So until next time, you are a blessing. Goodbye, y'all.